Now, when our tire blew, it actually had wrapped around and dripped up those cables right there that are connected to it. I'm going to try to get them fixed today, but my question was this: what do you do in the meantime while you're waiting for warranty work to be done, insurance work, or if you're waiting for a professional to come out and repair that? So I tried originally to just auto level the system. If you've done that already, you know it doesn't work. However, I want to find out if there's a trick or workaround to be able to fix that. And what better place to do it than at the Tampa RV SuperShow. We're going to go over to Lippert. I've had a chance to come and talk to a Lippert specialist. And I've been told she is the lady to talk to about this. Tanya, they call you T, right?
Yep. So if you also have the ground control 3 leveling system, you're familiar with the harnesses that go between your controller all the way back to each of the jacks on your system.
Right.
If that has been taken out by a blown tire or something else similar, you'll probably have the same exact error code that's coming up as Keith on your screen. It's called Special Jack Error Code, and basically whatever is causing the error code has to be fixed before the system can be reset. But in the meantime, so he can stay here with his family and enjoy the show a little bit longer and not have to go get it serviced just yet. Basically, there's a workaround inside the system. So when you have that jack error code, you're in a form of manual mode for the system. So you can extend the jacks individually while it's in that error code mode because of how it's programmed. So if you want to bring the middle jacks down, you hit left and right on your touchpad at the same time, and it will extend both of those down to the ground. You can do the same thing with the front button for both of your front jacks to go down together, or you have individual operation of each one. So if you wanted to do just your front left, hit left and front at the same time. Same thing for all your other jacks too, except for, of course, the one that has a broken harness on it.
Of course. And then to retract that, all you have to do is hit the retract button and
Yep.
reverse the same pattern.
Make sure
right?
the retract light's on and do the same thing.
Sounds good. Listen, I can't thank you enough